I started SaaS Group in 2018. We acquire promising SaaS companies with a founder-friendly process in order to elevate product and organization to the next level. And we're developers and operators ourselves, so we really understand the struggles of small SaaS companies. I love to support founders in making one of the most important decisions of their life, finding a new home for their business.
We have decades of organic and paid marketing experience from multiple industries, and that enables us to partner with our brands to help them accelerate further organic growth. Besides setting up the required tracking and attribution, initializing content production processes, as well as identifying and scaling marketing channels with the highest marginal returns, we also consult on applying best practices and suggestions from in-house experts in various domains like SEO, content, and performance marketing.
We have extensive experience at partnering with founders of bootstrap SaaS businesses around the world and have consistently achieved the objective of delivering great exits for great founders. We have acquired 11 brands to date and are looking to double that number over the next few years.
Keyword.com is a leading provider of keyword rank tracking and competitor insight software to the global SEO community. We have found in SaaS Group a great partner to help us continue scaling our business so that we can continue to help our SEO agencies succeed in a highly competitive market.
At Pipeline, we aim to be the easy-to-use CRM for sales teams. Partnering with SaaS Group has been invaluable in our growth toward that goal. From a product development perspective, they have facilitated workshops and led more tactical sessions to make sure we're building the right product for our users. Similar experiences could be shared from marketing, business analytics, and many others. Ultimately, SaaS Group's insights, expertise, and desire to help have enabled us to take the next step as a company.
SaaS Group is not only doing a remarkable job in acquiring and developing competitive SaaS-based businesses, but more importantly in ensuring its people grow and prosper alongside these brands. The growth of our people is also the growth of SaaS Group. Personally, they have introduced me to a lot of opportunities and helped me gain meaningful connections. Their experience and knowledge acquired over the years is invaluable and without a doubt has helped many individuals and businesses reach their full potential.
Since we started, we have grown to 110 employees working remotely from 20 different countries globally. We are a remote-first company and we have a flexible working environment. So if you want to join 11 amazing startups with 11 amazing teams, and if you want the energy and the dedication of startups, but in a stable environment like a company like SaaS Group, then you can find us here, saas.group/career. Come and join us.